Now we move to the next topic, and that is to find the slope of a line which is passing through 2 points. That is, 2 points are given to you. For example, let's say this is your axis, and let's say this is your line, and let's say this is your y-axis, this is your x-axis, and the 2 points that are known through whichever line passes, these are the 2 points जिससे हमारी line pass कर रही है. Let its coordinates be x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. What we do is we draw perpendiculars on the x-axis like this, and on the y-axis like this. And let's say these perpendiculars meet at, let's say, K, L, M, and let's say N. Now, since A is x1, y1, this distance will be x1, and this distance would be, obviously B is x2, y2, therefore this distance is x2. Similarly, this distance would be y1, and this distance would be y2. Now, what we do is we drop a perpendicular from this point A to this line, and let's say we mark this as D. Now, if you look closely, if this is our line, now what would be the angle of inclination? Angle of inclination would be this angle, positive direction, anti-clockwise. Positive direction, anti-clockwise. Now we see that since we have dropped a perpendicular, if you look closely, line AD is parallel to the x-axis, and this line becomes the transversal line. Therefore, this angle theta and this angle theta are same corresponding angles. Therefore, if we look closely, this length would be how much? x2 minus x1. And what would be this length? y2 minus y1. Now in the triangle, ADB, if we apply tan theta, so what is tan theta? Perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular? BD upon AD. But what is BD? BD is y2 minus y1. And what is AD? x2 minus x1. And what was tan theta? Tan theta was slope of our line. Therefore, the slope of a line which is passing through 2 points can be found out by using this formula. That means, अगर हमारी लाइन पे 2 पॉइंट्स पता हैं तो हम उस लाइन का क्या निकाल सकते हैं? स्लोप निकाल सकते हैं by using this formula. Just take the difference of the y coordinate and take the difference of the x coordinate in the right order. If you are taking y2 minus y1, then you should write x2 minus x1. That is, if you write y2 minus y1, you cannot write x1 minus x2 in the denominator. And you can take any point as x1, y1 and any point as x2, y2. For example, let's say, we have to find the slope of a line which passes through 1, 2 and let's say minus 3, 4. That is, our line is passing through 2 points. Let's say these are 2 points. Let's say this point is 1, 2 and this point is minus 3, 4. You can assume any of them as x1, y1 and the other one as x2, y2. Let's say we take this one as x1, y1. You can assume any one of them as x1, y1 and the other one as x2, y2. Now what would be the slope of the line? M equals to tan theta would be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So what can we write? What is y2? y2 is 2. y2 is 2. And what is y1? 4. 2 minus 4 upon What is x2? 1 minus what is x1? Minus 3. So what will I get? Minus 2 upon 4, that is minus 1 by 2. Therefore the slope of our line is minus 1 by 2.